Hello, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can mask image into shape like the one you are seeing here, and I'm also going to show you how you can use this method to design a birthday flyer. So make sure you watch this video to the end. So without wasting much time, I'm going to delete everything that you are seeing here, and we are starting from the beginning. So first thing first, you are going to delete this. So now let's come to where we choose our background. So we choose our background here, so we come over here, then we come over this part, we click on it, okay, where we choose our background. So we'll be making use of red as well. So this is it. So first thing first here, this is what you do. Then you come over to this place. Now you tap on this, then you click on your shapes. All right, then you check the size that you want to use, then you bring it to the normal size like this. Then you come over here to where the radius, so where you curve the edges of the shape. So I will leave it right, so I will make it 19. You can see, okay, I'll check mark. Okay, since I'm good to go with this, I will centralize it. So I'll come over here, I will centralize everything. All right, so what I will do here is that I'm going to think, let me reduce the size of this. All right, I think I'm good to go with this. So I'm good to go with this now. So what I will do here now is, for that, I'm going to bring this tools here so that I can use it to make my work to be in the same. All right, so I'll bring this here, so I'll also bring this one here. So I'll leave this one here now, so I will touch it. All right, so now I'll bring it here now. All right, so we are good to go with this now. So what we do here is, for we to lock this now, we lock it, then we come over here, we copy it, this design, this shape. So what we do, we reduce the size, also reduce the size of we bring it, so you can reduce the size to what you want. I think I'm good to go with this. I will place it here, right? So I will also bring these tools again, so I can use it to make that one. Okay, also, okay, this one is here, so I'll bring this one up, I'll place it here. So I'll bring this one up, I'll also place it here. All right, so what we do now is, for we to check it, to lock this again, then we check it. No, right, so we come over here again here, so we place it normal. All right, so now we come over here, we lock this one again, then we copy it, copy the same shape, you copy it, then you bring it to this side, right? I think, right, we leave it like this, then you check it. All right, it's good. So let's move this one a little bit. All right, so we are good to go with this. So what we do now is, for we to come over here, then hide this one now. All right, so what we do now is, for we to come over here, then we merge everything up, merge all the three images together. So we merge the three images together. So I'll click on here, I'll tick on these boxes here. So I'll come over here, I will merge everything together now. So you can see now that I can now move the three shapes together, I can now move them together. But what I'll do here, I'll come over to where I will centralize everything. Okay, I'm going to leave it like this. Okay, now this is what I'll do. I'll come over, make sure you highlighted this. You can see this. Make sure you touch on it like where I'm doing. Then you come over to texture, where you have your texture, then you click on it, then you click on here, so this is the image that I'm going to use. I'm going to use this image. then you tap on it, then you click on the check mark here. All right, so I think we have gotten to this point now. You can see it here. You can see how beautiful it is. Yeah, you can see how beautiful it is. Yeah, so then you click on the check mark here. All right, 2 seconds of your time. So kindly subscribe to my channel. Subscribing is free. Make sure you like this video and make sure you leave a comment. If you want me to do more tutorials like this, just leave it in the comment section. So make sure you use 1 second of your time to subscribe to this channel. We are growing, so subscribing is free. Subscribing to this channel will encourage me to do more like this. So I believe you have subscribed, so thanks for doing that. And if you have subscribed, kindly tell me in the comment section. Okay, thanks for doing that. Okay, so let's continue. So now I'm going to show you how you can use this maxing tools, how you can turn this use this method for your birthday flyer. So now this is what I will do. I will come over here. I will import some write-up, then we are good to go. So first, let's lock this one here. Okay, now this is what we do. I think the image is too small. Let's increase it a little. All right, okay, you can see now we can now increase it. I think we are good to go with this. All right, so we leave it like this. So now we lock it up. So now we import some write-up. First, let's go with let's use this for the sake of this tutorial. So let's go with celebration of life. So we leave it here. So what should happen here is so we come over here, then we come over to size. So we reduce the size to 20. So I'm going to use 20 for this. 20. All right, so okay, so what I'll do here is for me to come over to spacing. So I'll increase it. All right, okay, I'll leave it like this. All right, so I'll come over to where I'll choose my font. So I'll choose a font for that. So I'll come over here, I'll click on, so let me use this. Right, so let me use this. All right, okay, all right, so we leave it here. So now I'm going to put the name of the celebrant, but for the sake of this training, so let me increase the size of this for it to come up a little. Leave it here, then I'll come over to space. So I'll reduce it a little. Okay, I think we are good to go with this. So we leave it like this. So I'll come over to here where I'll put the name of the celebrant. Then I'll click on plus. I'll edit it. Then I'll put, for the sake of this training, I'm going to use Lady P. Turn it to capital letter. Then I'll bring it here. So I will reduce the size as well. So I will reduce the size. All right, so you can choose a better font for that. Right, so let me just come over here and look for a font that I can use. No, I think I'm not using this. So let me come over to where I have some fonts here. So let me come over. Okay, let me use this. All right, okay, I'm good to go with this one for the sake of this training, in order to save time. So I don't want to waste much of your time. All right, so yeah, I'll leave this one here like this. Then I'm going to import some resources here where I will put here. Then I'll come over here. Where did I have that? Okay, I think it's in this part. Okay, first let me import this because I'm going to make use of it. All right, okay, let me reduce size, then I leave it for where I want to use it. then I change the color to white. All right, so I'll leave it here, then I'm coming back for that. So let me import the second one that I want to use. So let me come back. Right, so this is where I have that. Okay, I'm going to make use of this. I'll crop it a little, crop here, then I will reduce the size. Right, so I'll leave it, I'll reduce the size, I'll leave it like this. Okay, I think I should move this one up a little bit. So let me unlock it, then move it up a little. All right, so let me move this one also. Okay, so let's put this one now. Okay, we are good to go with this. Then I'll come over here, I'll change the color to white. Okay, I'll change the color to white. So I'll bring this one now, I'll move it up. All right, so now what I will do here is for me to put the date here. So what I will do here is for me to come over here, then I'll edit this, then put 8, then put 8 on it. Right, then I'll bring it down. Alright, so I believe you have learned something new from this tutorial video. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notification each time I drop new videos like this. Subscribing to my channel will actually encourage me to drop more tutorials like this, and you will surely benefit from it. So use 1 second to subscribe to my channel, then make sure you like this video. So make sure you share this video to, if you have a friend that would like to learn how to design like this, so make sure you share this video to them. And if you have subscribed to my channel, kindly leave it in the comment section. So thanks for that. So now what is left for us to do here is for we to choose a font for this. Right, okay, for this I'm going to use this font here. All right, so we are good to go down. We copy the same text here, copy it, then we edit here, then we put the month. Right, okay. All right, so we bring it here, we bring it down, we bring it down. Sorry, so let me fast it. Okay, so let me position it very well. All right, so in order to make it simple, I think this is very beautiful. So you can use this method to design for yourself. You can also copy this method to design for anything like you want. So this is simple but is beautiful like this. So first of all, I believe you have learned how to mask image into shape like this, and you have learned how you can put up other resources to form a birthday flyer like this. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out anytime I drop new videos like this. Subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and make sure you like this video, make sure you share this video to others people. So make sure you leave a comment. If you have subscribed to this channel, leave in the comment section. I have a special hug for you. So for subscribe to my channel, thanks for doing that. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Bye.